Is your car squealing or taking too long to stop when you hit the brakes? First up, we have the Power Stop Z17 front and rear brake kit, specifically designed for the Mazda CX-5 from 2016 to 2024. This all-in-one package solves the headache of sourcing individual parts by including both ceramic pads and mill-balanced rotors for a complete overhaul. The Z17 pads are thermal scorched and chamfered, which means you get a much faster break-in period and whisper quiet operation right out of the box. It's the perfect choice for daily drivers who want to exceed original equipment performance without any complicated guesswork. Imagine driving through heavy morning traffic and feeling that smooth, consistent stopping power every time the light turns red. This kit even comes with a solid 24-month warranty to give you long-term peace of mind on the road. Next, at number 2, let's look at the Power Stop front brake pads for the Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride. If your heavy 3-row SUV is starting to feel a bit sluggish during stops, these Z17 ceramic pads provide the OE Plus performance upgrade you need. They feature a low dust formula and dual layer rubberized shims, which work together to keep your stylish wheels clean and your braking dead silent. This set is ideal for family haulers who prioritize a comfortable, noise-free ride during long road trips or school runs. You'll appreciate the included premium hardware that makes the installation process straightforward for any DIY enthusiast. It's a simple way to ensure your vehicle stops safely and quietly every single time you press the pedal. Now for number 3, we're checking out these ceramic front and rear brake pads for Ford F-150 owners. These are a lifesaver for truck owners dealing with excessive brake dust or that annoying grinding sound during hauls. The kit includes both front and rear pads with slots and chamfered edges that significantly enhance brake bite and heat management. Whether you're driving a 2012 model with 7 lugs or a 2020 version with a manual parking brake, these pads offer the versatility and longevity required for a heavy-duty pickup. They are perfect for anyone using their truck for everything, from daily commutes to light off-roading. Picture yourself towing a trailer down a steep grade and feeling total confidence in your truck's ability to maintain control. Coming in at number 4 is the Side2 ceramic front and rear disc brake pad set for popular Lexus and Toyota models like the Camry and Avalon. This 8-piece set is designed to eliminate the vibration and noise that often plague older sedans as their original parts wear down. Each pad undergoes a scorch friction process to lower break-in time, ensuring you get consistent stopping power from the moment you leave the garage. The built-in gaskets act as a buffer to absorb vibrations, making your daily commute much more serene and professional. This is a great buy for high-mileage commuters who want a direct factory replacement that requires zero modifications. You can swap these in on a Saturday morning and enjoy a new car braking feel by lunchtime. Moving to number 5, we have the PowerStop Z23 carbon fiber ceramic rear brake pads for Subaru owners. This is a significant upgrade over standard pads, specifically engineered to handle the spirited daily driving Subaru drivers are known for. The carbon fiber infusion provides enhanced stopping power and resists brake fade, which is crucial when you're navigating winding back roads or hilly terrain. These pads are a direct fit upgrade for the Ascent, Crosstrek, and Forester, coming with all the hardware needed for a quick swap. If you've noticed your brakes feeling mushy after a long drive, these pads will bring back that crisp, responsive feel. They keep your wheels looking sharp too, thanks to a low dust formula that prevents that ugly black buildup. At number 6, we have the PowerStop Z36 truck and tow rear brake pads built for heavy hitters like the Toyota 4Runner and Lexus GX. This is the ultimate solution for anyone who uses their vehicle for towing, hauling heavy loads, or navigating mountainous trails. The Z36 formula is specifically designed to handle the added stress and heat of a lifted truck or a fully loaded SUV. These carbon fiber ceramic pads deliver massive stopping power without the noise or dust usually associated with heavy-duty brakes. If you frequently find yourself pulling a boat or a camper, these pads offer the extra bite and fade resistance you need for safety. They are incredibly durable and backed by a 12-month warranty, ensuring they can handle the toughest driving conditions you throw at them. For number 7, we're looking at the Bosch Blue Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set for the Hyundai Kona and Kia Forte. Bosch uses platform-specific friction materials, meaning these pads are custom tailored to the weight and braking dynamics of your specific compact car. They feature a unique rust inhibitive coating on the backing plates to prevent the corrosion that usually leads to noisy, uneven braking. This set is perfect for the set it and forget it driver who wants original equipment quality with improved durability. The pads even come wrapped in a protective shop towel with synthetic lubricant included, making the installation exceptionally clean and easy. Imagine the relief of finally getting rid of that high-pitched squeal every time you pull into your driveway. Now, at number 8, let's talk performance with the PowerStop Z26 rear brake pads for the Chevrolet Corvette C8. These are the go-to choice for muscle car enthusiasts who demand shorter stopping distances under intense high horsepower conditions. The Z26 Evolution Pro formula is specifically tuned for aggressive street driving, offering high fade resistance so your performance doesn't dip when things get hot. Despite their incredible bite, they remain low dust, so your premium Corvette wheels stay clean for the car show. This is an essential upgrade for any owner who has modified their car for more power and needs the braking hardware to match. You'll feel the difference immediately when you're decelerating from highway speeds with total precision and zero drama. Coming in at number 9 are the PowerStop Z26 front brake pads for the Dodge Challenger and Charger. These pads solve the problem of brake fade that many heavy American muscle cars experience during spirited driving sessions. By using a specialized carbon fiber ceramic blend, these pads provide the high performance stopping power required for high torque HEMI engines. They are designed as a direct fit upgrade, meaning you can get professional level braking performance without needing a full big brake kit. This is the ideal choice for the driver who likes to hit the canyons on the weekend but still needs a civilized car for the work week. The included hardware kit ensures a rattle-free fitment that maintains the aggressive character of your Mopar machine. And finally, number 10 is the Sci2 8-piece front and rear brake pad kit for Jeep Wrangler and Liberty owners. This comprehensive kit is designed to withstand the rugged environments that Jeeps thrive in, offering superior durability and reliability across all 4 wheels. The slotted design helps with ventilation and drainage, which is a huge plus if you're frequently driving through mud, water, or dusty trails. These pads are engineered to fit perfectly with your rotors to prevent abnormal sounds and ensure a long lifespan even under heavy use. This is a fantastic value for Jeep enthusiasts who want a complete braking refresh before their next off-road adventure. You can head out onto the trails knowing your stopping power is consistent, quiet, and ready for any obstacle. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals and confirm the fitment for your specific vehicle. If this breakdown helped you figure out which brakes are right for your ride, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive guides. Comment below and let me know which set you're installing or if there's another part you want me to review next. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there on the road.